Hi, relay thefts are becoming more and more popular, and I will put a video example of this theft at the link above, or also into the video description. What is a relay theft? Relay theft is when the thieves extend the signal from the remote controller and just unlock the car and drive away, because the car security system thinks that the key is inside the car. Due to this becoming more and more popular, manufacturers have implemented many features, solutions, how to prevent this. And for example, VAG cars, so Volkswagen, Seat, Skoda, Audi, from model year 2018 and forward, they have a feature that enables the driver to manually deactivate keyless system. I will show the procedure now, but before this there is also maybe additional info. There is also additional feature that is implemented in newer cars, and this is that if the key is not moved for a few minutes, it will go into the sleep mode, and this means that it will not broadcast the signal. So the thieves will not be able to extend the signal, and for example, that video example, this feature, if the key would be equipped with it, it would prevent the car to be stolen in that video. And now let's go forward with the procedure how to deactivate keyless system on VAG cars from model year 2018 on. To deactivate keyless Kessy system, you must first lock the car with the remote control, and after that, within 2 seconds, lock it again with the door handle. With this, keyless system is deactivated, and you cannot unlock the car with the door handle. You can unlock it only with the remote control. If you after that lock the car with the door handle, the keyless system is normally active. Let us repeat the procedure of keyless deactivation. So you need to repeat this procedure every time you want to deactivate keyless system. So this deactivation is only one time, so temporary. Every time you unlock the car with the remote, keyless system is active again. If you want permanent keyless deactivation, this can be done via coding, and you can click the link above or the link in the video description.